Tracking down mysterious electrical glitches beneath the hood can test the patience of any mechanic or DIY enthusiast. Investing in a dedicated automotive multimeter gives you the clarity to pinpoint electrical faults quickly and prevent costly guesswork. Here are 3 of the most capable tools currently available for garage technicians and home mechanics alike.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Unit UT107 Plus Multimeter. This multimeter serves as an accessible entry point for mechanics who need specialized vehicle diagnostic capabilities without breaking the bank. Designed specifically to handle automotive circuits, this versatile tool measures standard electrical parameters like voltage, resistance, and current while offering essential engine diagnostic functions. Technicians can easily check dwell angles for multi-cylinder engines, monitor engine speeds up to 20,000 revolutions per minute, and measure millisecond pulse widths on fuel delivery systems. It also features a dedicated battery testing mode alongside true RMS accuracy and low-pass filtering, which helps filter out background electrical noise from modern vehicle alternators and ignition systems. With its protective rubber holster and impact resistance, this meter delivers surprising functionality and durability for everyday garage troubleshooting. On number 2, we have Autool DM202 Multimeter. When speed and convenience are top priorities in the shop, the Autool DM202 Multimeter stands out with its modern, automated approach to vehicle testing. Unlike traditional meters that require manual dial spinning, this compact unit features smart auto recognition technology that automatically detects whether you are probing voltage, resistance, or continuity within seconds. Its high-contrast digital display provides clear, true RMS readings up to 4,000 counts, making quick work of under-dash wiring checks and battery health tests. It also incorporates a non-contact voltage sensor to help mechanics safely spot hot wires without piercing insulation unnecessarily. Built with a button-driven layout and integrated work light, it eliminates mechanical switchwear while making dark underhood environments much easier to navigate. On number 3, we have Fluke 88 V Deluxe Multimeter. For master technicians who demand unconditional accuracy and rugged industrial reliability, the Fluke 88 V Deluxe Multimeter remains the gold standard in automotive electrical diagnostics. Built to withstand high-energy vehicle environments, this heavy-duty meter delivers extreme precision with a high-resolution display mode capable of 20,000 counts. It is equipped with comprehensive vehicle-specific capabilities, including inductive RPM pickup probes, millisecond fuel injector pulse width tracking, and minimum/maximum recording to capture intermittent electrical spikes as fast as 250 microseconds. The included accessories, such as magnetic hangers, insulation-piercing probes, and back probe pins, make hands-free testing around crowded engine bays seamless. Backed by a high input impedance to protect delicate onboard computers, it represents the ultimate long-term investment for professional diagnostic work. Choosing the right diagnostic meter ultimately depends on your experience level and workshop demands. Budget-conscious builders will appreciate the rich feature set of entry options, while busy repair shops benefit immensely from the rugged precision of top-tier industrial gear. So, these are some of the best multimeters to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.